From a happy heart to a healthy mind, find out what household items can help with your child's stress and anxiety. It's a little sad to think about, but children do deal with stress and anger just like us, but we're here to show you creative ways to help your child manage their stress and anger with items that most of us have at home. Here to help us is Dr. Jeanette Yoffe. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Oh man, you know, with my kids, I'm always saying, mommy stress, and then I have to step back and think, you know, I'm probably stressing the kids out as well because they can also pick up on those cues, not only from mom, but whatever else they have going on in their life.
Of course. So stress is a part of daily life, okay? I'm a mother myself. We all need to manage our stress and learn tools to impact the ability to release our stress because, listen, kids don't get over things. They are always processing and trying to move through things. So we want to give them effective tools so they can process and filter information. Children are sensory absorbers. They're always absorbing their environments, their experiences. They don't have the adult characteristics to manage like us adults do.
Right. And so you brought in some ideas.
Yes.
When you say what can parents do, well, there's things around the house that we can do to help them get through the stressful stuff. Tell me what you brought in.
So I create stress bags for children and for parents to do DIY at home with your kids.
Fun.
So easy to do. So what you first need is a bag.
Okay.
I like the color yellow for stress.
Nice and bright.
Yes, any bag. It can be a paper bag. You don't have to go out. If you want to go out and get a bag, it's perfectly all right. And so in the bag, we're going to put items.
Okay. So what would we put in there?
So we're going to tell them we're going to help them because all of us have stress. We want to psychoeducate kids and let them know it's okay to have this part of you. So when we have stress, what we want to do is be able to externalize, project into something. Kids need to utilize art. Art is very effective. So just get a pad of paper.
Just be creative, draw color.
Picture to draw about my stressful feelings, crayons, Play-doh. So using our hands. Yes. So we want to rip it, squish it, and make it spaghetti.
Make it spaghetti.
We need to be okay with expressing our stress and modeling for them. Because as we're showing our kids, we're also helping ourselves.
Right.
So bubbles. So what's the most important thing to do? But breathe.
Yes.
So what we want to do is bubbles, sit at a table. You're going to take a moment. You're going to take a big deep breath through your nose and you're going to exhale very big.
And kids love bubbles. I mean, any age. Bubbles is just a crowd pleaser.
So you can imagine
Look at that. You can relieve
breathing your stress into the bubbles, releasing it over and over and over. And when we're breathing, breathe and release more than you would normally.
Okay, so that's our stress bag. What is this red bag, though?
So the red bag, so when we don't manage our stress well, okay, we are going to, what happens is what gets repressed will be expressed in ways that we don't usually like.
A little bit of anger?
Yes. So we want to be able to learn tools effectively to manage our anger. So I also created the anger bag, which also has coping skills in it. So same as the stress bag. You have Play-doh, same technique, rip, squish, make spaghetti, release your anger. You can even say what you're angry about, okay? Using words, name it to tame it. Then bubbles as well, focus on breathing. And any of these tools, you can do before a stressful event if you anticipate going into a stressful event, after a stressful event, and we want to practice this over and over and over. So
looks like you have some pillows. What do we do to beat these up?
Okay, so because we want to name it to tame it, so you get a pillow that you're willing to give up for art and give up for anger. Let your child write on it with a Sharpie pen, and they can, on one side, show their stress and what their anger and what that looks like, and then the other side, it's what they feel when they feel relieved from their stress. Okay.
Well, these are some really great ideas. You know, you definitely have a lot more that we're not going to be able to share right now. But you know what? You can visit her website, yoffetherapy.com. You can find all about the stress bag, the anger bag, and ways to cope as a parent and help our kids. And I want to thank you so much for being here and sharing these ideas. I'm going to definitely need to implement these and maybe even dip into the bags for myself.
Yes, parents too. It's fantastic.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.